Hi, my amazing planner friends. It's Jess for My Magical Planner, and today we have a subscription from Sweet Bean Plans. This is I think, new to me shop. I might have one sticker kit from them from forever ago, but I thought it would be a fun kit to include. I think I ordered the Hobonichi Cousin kit, but it could be a vertical kit because I don't actually remember. I did purchase this kit for $25 because I did get a one-time kit. And if you subscribe, you get a 20% discount. So it would be $20. I'm going to do my cost analysis off of both of those numbers to give you savings and all of that. We'll do that at the end. What's supposed to be included in this kit is a 3-page sticker kit, 4 quarter sheets, 2 15mm washies, a vinyl decal, as well as a mystery item. I'm kind of intrigued by the mystery item. I like that aspect a lot from subscriptions. So that was something I was kind of looking for in some of the other subscriptions that isn't really there. It does come, so it says down in the description, I think she just hasn't updated it, you can get it for the vertical, like a 7x9 vertical, horizontal, PP, which I believe is print impressions. She doesn't list Hobonichi Cousin, but it is in the drop down menu. So just kind of something to keep in mind. But with all of that being said, let's kind of take a look at what we have here. She is very similar in a lot of ways to the Sweet Kawaii design, as far as she's kind of got that more cutesy look to her kits, which I can appreciate. I think they're adorable. She has a lot of Disney kits. So this is a subscription for November. So if you haven't seen it yet and you are subscribed to hers, I assume you have it, but if not, or you haven't opened it yet, and you don't want me to ruin your surprise, go ahead and come back later, whatever, but we're going to reveal it now. Ooh, it looks cute. Okay. So these must be our washi. They are foiled. I will swatch these out at the end. This one says always busy, planning time, and it has some planner, like a planner, washi, and stickers and such. This is her little guy. It's almost like a little sheep or maybe a little dog. I'm not really sure on it, and is also very planner related. I like the colors because it's more of a kind of blue and pink, but they're kind of pinkish purple. They're kind of in that dusty, like not super bright, which I like. So there's that. I'm going to guess that our free item is the washi card here. At least I think that's what it is, but it looks really cute. I do like the look of this. Again, like I said, I like the cute look. It isn't always something I incorporate in my planning style, but I do like it, generally speaking. Okay. So we're going to set that to the side for a minute. This must be her journaling card. I actually think this is adorable. This looks like Chip here on the shelf. It is more of a 5x7 type size. Definitely more like, it seems more functional. I'll say that as far as things go. Like you can actually write more on this than you can on a typical journaling card. It doesn't have all of her stuff on the back. Kind of like that a little better. Like I'm much more likely to use it as far as gifting it to someone or actually putting it somewhere with information on it. So, and I like the colors that she used. Okay, so there's that. This must be our 3-page kit, I assume. So it's all planner related. I like the colors again, purple and blue. Definitely looks like Chip to me. It says read and plan there. You just have her little guy and he's got a little planner there and a nice little cup of something warm. Actually doing planner stuff here, the glitter pen. This does feel like the same type of paper that Sweet Kawaii design uses, like that vinyl. Yeah, this is definitely that vinyl matte paper, which is really fun to use. It's probably repositionable. I don't know that she said that on the site, but this is, I'm pretty sure, the Hobonichi sized. So we have 9 boxes here. We have habit trackers. I like that we have a currently reading. I think that's a nice touch. Then we have 4th size boxes down here. Then we have our Monday through Sunday here. We have to-dos, 7 of those. This week, reminder, get it done. That's cute. Groceries. And next week, we have, it looks like, yeah, 7 half boxes. I'm pretty sure, yeah, those would be half, right? A little over half boxes. And then more 4th boxes down here at the bottom. And then this page has a couple of headers or, you know, smaller boxes if that's what you want to use them for. 2 Monday through Sunday boxes and a couple more half boxes and also more of the 4 size boxes, a couple of colored dots, and all of your dates for the month. And these are circle cutout. Sorry, hold on. Let me see if I can get that for you. Just to show you that they are just those nice little circles. So I like the paper. I like the color. It's really nice print quality. Very cute design. I'm going to set that to the side. So this is a vinyl decal. I think both of these are. They feel pretty much the same. So I think they're both stickers. So you have a little planning scene here and here. I like both of them. I probably like this one a little better because I like the florals on it and everything. But I do like having Chip there too. So very cute. And then these must be our 4 pages. So we have like little planning guides. I think those are super useful. Oh, then we have like kind of a big sticker. I don't know where I would really use that, but I do think it's cute. These ones I like. The plan with the to-do on the top. Could definitely see myself using these. And I like that we have larger ones as well as smaller ones. I could use both. And then we just have some deco-y type stuff. So we have some planners through here with some pencils, sticker sheets, washi, and that little planning scene again. So that's everything there. And then I am guessing this is our kind of mystery item, which I think is really cute. It's just a little washi card. It does have a like micro glitter aspect to it, which I'm not sure if I can really figure out how to make it come across on here, but definitely that blue and everything has a glitter aspect. I think it's really cute. I think it's useful. I like that it's not like an over-the-top freebie gift, but I really appreciate it. It's something functional. It's something I'll use, and it's not going to add a lot of clutter. So I think that's great. All right. I'm going to go ahead and swatch these out now so we can see what those look like. And they look really nice quality as far as washi goes. So let's see here. Always the hardest part is getting them out of the plastic, right? Almost, there we go. So just feeling from this aspect, feels like a really nice quality washi. Let's get this one off. Well, you were supposed to just come off really nicely there. There we go. Okay. And my swatch book is just right here, so super easy to do. These were Simply Gilded washies, so I'm going to put Sweet Bean here. And this was the November sub. Okay. So let's see how they swatch out. I definitely like. This is a silver foil on here. It looks like a really nice foiling job. The washi itself feels really nice. It has a nice thickness to it. Oh, there we go. So when I look at her little character, all I can think is lamb chop. And if you're really old like me, you know what I'm talking about, like the little puppet. So I think it's really cute, but that's what I think of. So there is the second one. This one looks like, I think it's silver, but it also almost has a hollow aspect. I think it's just maybe the angle or something. Or maybe it is hollow and I've just haven't seen hollow in so long. But no, I think it's silver. It just is reflecting some of the other colors around it really nicely. So there are the two washies that came with it. And I'm going to sit down for a minute and do some cost analysis for you guys, and I'll be right back. All right, let's do our cost analysis here. So we have two washi tapes. In her shop, a 15 millimeter washi tape cost $4.75. So we're going to do $4.75 times 2. So that's $9.50. Since this is on top, we'll go with this next. It is our mystery item. Her washi cards go for $4.75. So we're going to add that to our value. These are her 1/4 sheets. So I know for sure that these 3 ones here, like this type of washi, or not washi, sticker sheet runs $2.95. So $2.95 plus $2.95 plus $2.95. And then this one, I'm not 100% positive. I just quickly looking, I did not see another sticker that was quite like this. So I'm going to assume that we're going by size and everything, and that this one would also be the $2.95, but I could be wrong on that. So then we have 2 of these vinyl die cut sticker things. And these run about $2.25 in her shop. So we'll add those. $2.25 plus $2.25 plus. Then we have the 3-page kit. A Hobonichi 3-page kit runs about $8.95. So if I went in her shop today and bought all of these same items right here, I would pay $39.50 for them plus shipping. So I paid $25 for my kit plus shipping. Not going to worry about the shipping because it would be the same either way, I assume. So that gives me a cost savings of $14.50. Now, you can evaluate whether or not you think her prices are at the right price point or not. I haven't done a lot of comparison between shops, so I'm not sure there. I do think her designs are cute. The print quality is really nice. She does use that vinyl paper, so you will need to use either like a ballpoint pen or a permanent ink pen, no gelling pens. So if a gel ink pen in your planning style is like a must, this may not be the right kit for you. But if you are a huge Disney fan and you love the cutesy style, I would totally check her out because she has a ton of different cute kits that are Disney related. Like I think she has a Tangled one, like a Peter Pan one. She also does a lot of kits that are book related. So if you're a book reader and are really into that kind of aspect into your planning style, also might be a good reason to check her out. Even if the subscription may not work for you, you might find some other things that do. So that's kind of my analysis of the Sweet Bean. It seems like it's a good deal. as far as cost savings from her shop and that kind of thing. I think it's cute, it's good quality. I hope this was useful for you guys and kind of a different subscription from my normal stuff. I know, but I appreciate all the variety that is out there. So anyhow, let me know what you guys think of this subscription, and until tomorrow, I'll see you guys real soon.